Hola my beauties, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, my name is Gurishkar, and in today's video I share with you all my Colourpop haul, what all I got from Colourpop. I got a bunch of stuff, almost a full face of new makeup, and we love new makeup on this channel. We love playing with new makeup, and I was dying to get some really cutesy makeup, and what better than Colourpop. So it's an international makeup haul where I also try on the same products and create this gorgeous look with the same, and also keep on spilling my mini reviews of each product as I use it along the video. And yeah, if that's something that interests you, then please keep on watching. And the first product we have is apparently the Colourpop Luxe Lip Oil. This one is in the shade Peachy Keen. It was one of their best sellers on the website, and peach is just my shade, so I was like, I have to have one, right? Also, I've tried the lip oil formula from Colourpop. It's a very nice lighter gloss formula, I would say. So it's a very nice formula that I know already. It also smells so good. It smells like coconut and vanilla and a slight hint of peach in there. I actually really like the scent. And that's pretty much all for the lip oil. So the lip oil formula is not really an oil. It's more like a liquidified tinted lip balm. And it looks pretty, it feels really luxe and hydrating on the lips, and that's pretty much it. Now, something that I've been really excited to try from Colourpop is their eyeshadow palette, and I really wanted to get a palette that I see and feel motivated to create looks with, because abhi I feel jo मेरे palettes I've like overused and abused them so much. So I wanted some newness in my collection, and I chose this palette right here. So this is like a 30 pan eyeshadow palette. The pans are not super huge, but I'm okay with that because you never really anyways end up using an entire eyeshadow pan. Like, that's a very rare sight, okay? So I don't mind that. I'm rather like I'm getting many more options. I can, actually get full worth of my money. I'm honestly not really into super huge eyeshadow pans because वो कभी पूरे use नहीं होते. So you're anyways like, wasting half of it. This palette has 4 different textures. It has got your basic matte shades, your basic shimmers. It also has pressed gel-like glitters and some sequin shades, that is matte shades with just a hint of glitter, shimmer, sparks here and there. And so it has got like 4 different textures. Looks very interesting, and I just can't wait to dig in, okay? So I'm gonna try to use as many colors as possible from this palette, solely to basically test and try each of the colors, like as many colors as I can, and give you a more wholesome review. Okay, so after giving it a lot of thought, I'm gonna start and pick this shade right here and put it in my outer corner. Okay, I would just like to mention that there is quite some kickback on the pan. I'm not sure if you can see that or not. I guess you can see that now. Any better? There's a lot of kickback on the pan. So I'll start with packing the color on my outer corner to give it like maximum intensity. Not bad. Also, I'm using the MAC palette just for the mirror because it has like a good sized mirror. The only thing I would say with the palette is like that it does not have a mirror to it, and I would have loved if if it also had an additional mirror to it. I just love products, palettes, whatever that have good size and good quality mirrors. It's just a nice add-on always. So I've packed the color, and starting off I'm going to use my Bougie Beauty Precision Blending Brush. It's the B215 brush. और अगर तुम्हें मेरे brushes अभी भी नहीं पता, I have a brush guide video, because ये question और comment मुझे इतना often आता है, also mention the name of the brushes. I have an entire video on my favorite brushes and my most used brushes. I'll leave it here and you can check it out. It's blending out nicely, yet like the intensity of the color is maintained, that I like. Okay, and to further blend, I am going to use this really pretty peach shade right here. Can you see that it has a lot of fallout, okay? Also kickback in the pan, so make sure you're doing your eyes first whenever you're using this palette. Okay, so as I was blending the sequin shade, I realized that sequin apply to bahut pyara hota hai, but when you blend it out, you kind of lose on the sparkles that you see in the pan. So I'm going to try to pick this lime green shade right here and actually pack it in like the inner portion of my eye with the inner half of the lid, and see कि अगर फिर भी अगर pack करने से भी sequin नहीं दिख रहा, then it's the shadow and not me. Okay, that's pigmented for a pastel shade especially. Because in person, I can see the sequin shade, the sparks here and there, like scattered sparkles थोड़ी बहुत, but इतना evident नहीं है कि I guess camera पे दिखेगा. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's a very slight sparkle here and there, so it's very pretty. Just like in person it looks very nice. And then in the center I'll go ahead with this blue gel glitter, sort of a chunky glitter shade. It actually feels like a gel glitter formula by Colourpop, and yeah dude, that looks hella pretty. I'm being really experimental with this look because I just want to try majority of the shades and formulas. That's pretty. I barely touched it. That's pretty. That's pretty. ये बहुत सुंदर है. This pressed chunky glitter formula is so pretty. So I went really funky with the color combination. I think I'll add just a tad bit of this greenish gel glitter shimmer. I'm gonna call these gel glitters because these chunky glitters are like really sort of wet in texture. I think we're feeling glitter today. These glitters are my favorite, like too good. That too you're getting in a palette जिसमें shimmer shadows भी है, normal mattes भी है, and Colourpop की special वाली chunky glitters भी है. This is like so worth it. I'm really loving how my eyes look. It's very different, it's very colorful, very sparkly, and I'm liking it. So I'm just gonna go quickly off camera, clean my face. There's supreme fallout, I'll clean it and add on a pair of falsies. But before that, a couple of quick words to review this palette. Okay, it's a pretty palette. Most certainly love the color story. So basically इसमें एक तो rainbow तो है ही, but उसके साथ you can also, it's also like small quads. Each line, like this is a whole story of pink, this whole story of oranges and peaches, a whole story of yellow, green, blue, purple. It also allows you to create just like a perfect purple eye look, a perfect blue eye look with all these textures going on here and all these variations in shades going on here. Okay, so that I really like. I really feel it's worth the price. The only fact, as I told you, बहुत ज़्यादा fallout और kickback है pan में, so just make sure that you're definitely doing your eyes first, okay? And that's pretty much it. Other than that, it's blendable, it's pigmented, and I like it. Honestly, I really do like it. So I'm back with my lashes on, and let's start with the face makeup now. And I didn't get a primer as such, but I did get the Soul Body Glow Oil, and I've seen some people use it also as, you know, a primer oil or just an oil underneath. And I'm really itching to try this one, so let's just, you know. Okay, that looks really pretty. This one is in the shade, by the way, Citron Crush, and this is how it looks like. It looks so pretty. It just looks so pretty, dude. I'm gonna pump it in the back of my hand so that you can see. Okay, that looks shiny. Wow, 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 what? Oh my god, that glow is sick. Bro, I really want to go to a party with shiny arms and legs now. But also, this one is not like, what do you say, super opaque. For example, Huda Beauty Nymph, I just didn't get it for the sole reason कि वो बहुत ही opaque लगता है. It looks like glitter paste or something. So this is not as such high in coverage, sort of. Yet it's so glowy. Oh my god, I'm loving it. I don't know how much to use, so I'll just take one pump and that's it. Warm it up thoda sa. Also, Soul Body is a sister brand to Colourpop itself, so it's not some different product, okay? I have tried this shimmering dry oil in the past. That I wasn't a huge fan of. उसमें बहुत मोटे glitter chunks है. But this, when I saw it, मुझे था कि मुझे ये लेना है, and this is pretty good. This smells, oh my god, I want to eat it. It smells of coconut, sugar, vanilla, some yummy dessert. I really will eat it. I guess this is a staple Colourpop fragrance, the coconut vanilla fragrance. It's very yummy. It's yummy. I guess it's a staple then. Yeah, oh my god. And just a hint of lemon because it's a citron crush body oil. Oh, beautiful. And until that is sitting on my skin, onto the foundation. My first base product from Colourpop. It's the hydrating foundation. The shade I got is 80W, my bad, 80 warm medium, and it seems like a pretty close color match. मैंने अभी तक try नहीं किया है, so also I'm gonna let's see if it's a good color match or not. कुछ हो तो नहीं सकता, but at least let's see. That does seem like a fairly good color match. I guess थोड़ा सा light होगा, just I don't know. Okay, that's a very good color match. I guess it's almost my shade. Yeah, it is my shade. Arriva. I got my right shade online. Also, if you want to know how you can also get your right shade online, click on the video right here. I've created so many videos. Please go and see, guys. So I'll take just one pump on the back of my hand. It's a very liquidy, runny foundation, okay? It says it's a hydrating foundation. So let's see how the coverage is like. I'm expecting like a medium coverage somehow. Like a sheer medium coverage for some matter, because it's super runny that way. Also, it's a generous pump. Like one pump is quite some product, but let's see how the coverage is. Then I use a brush for this side of the face and a blender for this to see the difference hair coverage में. That's like exactly my shade, not light, not dark. I'm pretty good at it. Oh gosh. The coverage, as I suspected, it's sheer medium, buildable coverage for sure. Okay, so that's the blender side. Now onto the brush. Let's see if it gives us any more coverage. Why do I feel it is giving us slightly more coverage, but yeah, let's blend it out pura pehle. Yep, with the brush it gave us more of a medium coverage. I hope it's clear. Whereas with the blender it gave us a very skin-like, rather sheer coverage. As a matter of fact, always when you use a foundation brush, it tends to give you more coverage because your beauty blender, you know, absorbs product, whereas the brush does not. And yeah, that certainly gives you a higher coverage. Okay, so the foundation looks rather lovely. It's hydrating. It's a medium coverage, I want to say. It's a medium buildable coverage foundation. It sits beautifully on the skin. It's not heavy at all. It rather feels like some sort of a CC cream or like something very lightweight, okay? And I'm actually liking it. It's a perfect match that just made my day. And if you don't know already, being the cream blush whore that I am, I got 3 cream blushes rather. This one is a stick cream blush. It's sticks. It's in the shade in white only. And 2 of the serum blushes. I was so tempted to buy these from such a long while. So one is in the shade PSST and the other is So Cosmo. This very orangey, peachy, corally, and this is like very pink, and I like that. Honestly, I have used these 2 already and they're beautiful to be used either on bare skin or on a very light coverage base, something like a CC cream or a BB cream, because they're very liquidy, not super pigmented, and hydrates your skin immensely. So for say I take this tiny little drop on the back of my hand and actually blend it out. It's not super pigmented as your usual cream blushes that are like pigment, like proper color in there. These are more softer, okay? To start with, I'm going to use a tad bit of the serum blush in the shade PSTT and blend it maybe just with my finger, because I don't know if it will disturb the base underneath if I use a brush or something. Yeah, there you see, it's super natural, okay? It will look very pretty. It lasts a very long time as well. So I used it on top of my sunscreen and it lasts me a good long while, and also makes my cheeks look very hydrated and dewy because it's a serum blush. So it also has really nice hydrating properties like skincare. So that is what the serum blush looks like. I just used a tiny drop and that's how the flush is. This cheek looks a little more flushed than the other, but regardlessly. Now this product I haven't used as of now. I've heard great things about and seen this blush stick like on Instagram for so long और हमेशा से मेरे को बहुत मन था लेने का. So मैंने सिर्फ इसलिए लिया है. Because I always wanted to get this, and you know, when I was shopping I was like, why not? Oh, that's pretty. And that is what the shade looks like. Much more pigmented than the serum blushes for sure, I can tell. And yeah, let's see. Let's also put these on to test. Yes, I'll use my fingers only for now, just warm up the product and yeah, apply directly. See, it's a lot more pigmented than the serum blushes. It's like a regular blush stick so far. Also, it's like dewy. Yeah. Yep. Okay, so the serum blush is like extremely dewy, whereas this is dewy. Are you guys even keeping track of my bug? Like the serum blush is like proper applying a moisturizer or a serum. This is like applying a dewy cream blush. So yeah, it's like a regular, but the shade is too pretty, dude. All in all, I love all the three blushes. They are beautiful. I love that I have a pink one in the serum blush and also like a orangey peach one. Even this blush stick is just too good. I really did my research. I मैंने ऐसी कुछ भी order नहीं कर दिया. I really spent time looking for other creators using the product and or searching on the website and seeing if I'll really like it. So मैंने बहुत सोच समझ के order place करा था. Thankfully, I also do like the products I've received so far. And since I don't have a concealer or powder from Colourpop, I'll just go ahead, use my other concealer and powder, and Fatafat will be right back. I'll just set like underneath my eyes and around my mouth and let the rest of the face be dewy for today. And I'm back with the next product, that is the pressed powder bronzer in the shade Talk to the Palm, and it looks rather interesting. It has coconut printed on it, and I'm just assuming it will smell of coconuts because so do, you know, the rest of the products. Okay, that looks pretty. That's a pretty packaging, Colourpop. That is what it looks like. Mind you, I'm also seeing these products, like a majority of them tumhare saath first time. It looks rather pretty. It's like a pretty you know, bronzer shade. It's neither too dark nor too light, I suppose. Rest, let's see how it performs on the face. There was no particular reason why I picked a bronzer. I just thought that I have sort of limited bronzers and contour powders as such, and I use just, you know, repetitively those products. So I saw it and I picked it, like and I'm gonna start rather light-handedly because I don't know how pigmented it is. Just gonna coat the brush well to begin with. I like the tone of the bronzer. It's very neutral. It's neither too cool nor warm. Yeah, it's rather neutral and I like that. Just a tad bit here, not really, you know, carving out my cheekbones or anything, just to make it look all, what do you say, missing on the word, cohesive. Just to make it look all cohesive, and yeah, just bind it all together. India, usually the bronzers are very red or warm toned, as I have noticed. This is neither too dark nor too light for my skin tone, which is great. And yeah, I believe if you're close to my skin tone, the shade will go perfectly. And next up we have a highlighter by Colourpop. It's their Super Shock Cheek Highlighter in the shade Lunch of Money. Let me open that real quick. This is what the highlighter looks like. I actually wanted I was eyeing a couple of other shades, but those weren't available, so this was the only one I could pick, and that's how it looks like. This is sort of the you know, single pan shadow type of packaging. It's a rather small highlighter. It contains only 4.2 grams of product, but I guess it's deep, so I don't mind that. And let me, wow, it's a powder highlighter as far as I know and remember, but feels like a cream highlighter. Have you, okay, wow, let me swatch it. That is a promising swatch. I guess it will look now very blended and like a cream highlighter is wow. It's a very nice feeling running your finger into this pigmented. I want to see if it's more blinding or soft or what, because I really can't make that out right now. So let's put it on. That's pretty. Oh, that's pretty. You know what I'm sensing is, because it has this sort of a creamy texture now, it does not look like powder sitting on your skin. First of all, that is very good. ये highlighter की वो वाली finish आ रही है जो usually setting spray के बाद आती है. That is highlighter melting into the base, which is great. Okay, bro, I really had to come close. That's the highlighter finish I was talking about. Just one with the skin, the blush, everything. I like it so far. My face right now looks really dewy and super pretty. The base looks super pretty, super sort of natural, like very skin-like, I want to say, at least not natural, but very skin-like and just really blended well. I love it. So I don't have a lipstick from Colourpop, but I did get a free lip liner with my purchase. It's in the shade Ashton. It's like a nude lip liner. That is that. It's a nude lip liner. I'll quickly line my lips, and I don't know what lipstick I want to go for, so I'll search for that a little maybe. Okay, so turns out that's a very cool toned, very ashy lip liner and not flattering on my skin tone at all. Not a fan. Not a fan of the freebie. So that's alright. And for the lipstick, I guess I'm going to use the My Glam Long Stay Matte Lipstick in the shade Foxy. Alright, and that's all I got for you today. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Honestly, I'm really liking it. The eye makeup and even the lip, the cool toned lip for that matter, it's not my usual vibe, and that's great that I'm still vibing onto it. And let me know in the comments below what you think of this look. Also, any more Colourpop products that you want me to try, or what are the Colourpop products that you are eyeing and maybe I shall purchase them in the future. That's enough for shopping for now, but I'm really happy with my purchase. All in all, I loved almost all the products. That's really great. I'll do more of these try on hauls if you like them. So yeah, it's a goodbye for now. I'll see you in my next one.